Welcome to my channel where magic happens. Mix the resin, mix with care, color swirling in.
Hello, welcome back everyone. So, what are we doing today? Today we are going to do a bloom. I'm happy to say that I am much better. My voice still not 100% and I still have a slight cough, but that's about it. So sorry about the voice, but we're getting there. That's the main thing. So I've got some jade diction resin. I'm going to use bloom by pouring your heart out, and paper mill alcohol inks. This is the amethyst and this one is the magenta. Okay, so I'm going to start pouring my resin up. I will have music in some areas to avoid the coughing fits. Good. Do it. One drop in the middle. 2 drops. Now, the middle I have just a little bit of mixed glitter. that. I'm going to leave it at that for now. I'll give it a nice touch. I think that that's it. I'm not going to do anything else to it. Okay, so keep your fingers and your toes crossed for me that it works out. Bye for now. So this is 2 days later. I'm going to use a black mica powder, and it's from Tuckaroos. And I got it in Amazon. And I'm not using a lot of it. I'm only using a little bit because it's quite strong. Quick torch. Be careful not to burn the mold. That's it. Bye for now. Okay, so let's have a look how it turned out. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Yeah, very bright color. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything, and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Stay magical.